Assalamu alaikum friends. So we are today going to learn about the nomenclature of the steroid. So in previous lecture we discussed about the basic nucleus of the steroid, that is cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthrene. This is the basic unit of cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthrene. I will show you again here. This is a four-membered ring. Ring A, ring B, ring C, and fifth ring is five-membered ring. This is ring A, B, C, and D. This is called cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthrene. Cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthrene ring. Remember it, okay? And there are so many derivatives of this nucleus. So it is a basic nucleus of cholesterol, testosterone, androgen, etc. Okay, so from this nucleus we can prepare, or we can draw the cholesterol, structure of cholesterol, progesterone, androgen, and other naturally occurring organic steroids. Okay, so this is the basic nucleus. So how we give numbering to this nucleus ring is, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and after that 10 we will continue it with the ring C, 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. So there are 17 carbon atom in the basic nucleus of steroid. If branch is present, like here, if one branch is present here, this carbon will be the 18th number and this carbon will be the 19th number. Okay, beside this 18 and 19 branch, beside this 18th and 19th branch, if any branch is present on ring A, B, C, D, so its number will be given after the main branching. For example, cholesterol has a branch here. Okay, so first we will number it after the number 19, then after completing this side chain we'll give the number to any carbon methyl branch or ethyl branch to the ABCD ring. We will see it. Okay, see here. So how to remember? Like this will be the sequence. Okay, by this drawing you can remember it. Okay, now continue. So first see here, this is the structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 is starting from here. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 11 from C ring, 12 13 14 15 16 17. Here the basic nucleus ends. Now this is the 18th carbon here, and this is 19 one. Then 20 for this side chain, 20 21 to up to 26. Okay, up to 27. Then 28 and 29th branch here. Okay, now next rule, beta configuration. If substituent attached to the ring system from the above are designated as beta, preferably shown as thicked line, this type of line. Okay, we know that geometry is 3D for the carbon molecules. So this steroid also a 3D structure. So if bonds are on the plane, there is no specific configuration. If bond is above the plane, means above the screen, like this line, this thick line shows the bond above the plane, means above the screen. Okay, so it is termed as beta. If it is shown like this dash line, means below the plane, means below the screen, okay, from back side of the screen. So this is termed as alpha here, okay. And alpha is designated as dash or dotted line or broken line. It is called dotted line or broken line. So if any broken line or dotted line is present in the ring, then this group, this CH3 group or any group is present at the below the plane, means below the structure of the plane, okay. Now if we don't know the position, whether it is above or below, then it is termed as unknown configuration, and it is shown by the wavy line, wave like wave, okay. This is called wavy line or zigzag line. So this zigzag line or wavy line shows that the configuration is unknown, means we don't know whether it is above the plane or below the plane of the structure, okay. One should specify the stereochemical configuration of the steroid in this way. If some of the carbon atom are missing steroids, the number of the remainder will not change in order to illustrate the above nucleus. See the numbering here is the basic nucleus, and we are showing here example of cholesterol, means cholesterol. This cholesterol has carbon number 18 and 19, okay, as a branch, but one derivative is showing here that we are calling it altered structure, okay. So this 18 and 19 carbon is disappeared in this structure. See here, you can see here. So absence of carbon number 18 and 19 does not alter, does not change the sequence or numbering of the previous structure. You can see it after 18 and 19, this is the 20th carbon, but in this derivative you can see this 20th carbon is remain as it is, means we will not change the numbering or the sequence of numbering if any alteration take place in the structure, okay. Next, if the side chain does not contain a methylene group, this indicate by the prefix nor preceded by the number of carbon atom that has disappeared, okay. You can see here one methyl group is disappeared from here, and this is the 21 number in sequence. So we will write it like this: 21 nor. 21 nor means one methylene group, one CH2 group is disappeared from here, okay. Next, if the steroid does not contain angular methyl group, this is again indicated by the prefix nor. What? If the steroid does not contain angular methyl group, this is again indicated by the prefix nor preceded by the number is designated the methylene group. Means where the methylene group is present, if it is disappeared, okay, or it is removed, then it is also shown by the prefix nor with the specific locant, specific number from it is disappeared, okay. Next, if contraction of ring of steroid, this again indicated by the prefix nor. See here, this is the basic nucleus, as we know that A ring, B ring, C ring, and this is a D ring. So A ring is a 6-membered ring, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but here A ring is 1 2 3 4 5, means it is contracted. one carbon is less. Now it is 5-membered ring. It is 6-membered ring and this is 5-membered ring. So if contraction take place in the ring, means decrease in the number of carbon in the ring, it is also designated as NOR, N-O-R, NOR, with mentioning the ring name. For example, ring A is contracted, so it is termed as A NOR. Okay. Next, if the enlargement of the ring of a steroid, this is indicated by the prefix HOMO, opposite to previous rule. Here ring is going to expand. We know that ring B also a 6-membered ring. See here, ring B also a 6-membered ring, but in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one carbon is more than the previous one. Okay, so this is the enlargement of ring. So if there is contraction in the ring, it is termed as NOR. If there is enlargement of the ring, it is termed as HOMO. Okay, so HOMO preceded in the ring B, so it is termed as B HOMO. B ring HOMO. 5 beta, it is the position from it is going to enlarge from the position that is above the plane, that is okay beta. So 5 beta pregnane is the name of this ring. As we know that cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthrene ABCD ring, 2 hexagonal, 3 hexagonal, 1 pentagonal, but in case of pregnane, 1 hexagonal, 1 heptagonal, 7 carbon, again hexagonal and pentagonal. This is termed as pregnane. Okay, now if ring fission in a steroid with the addition of hydrogen atom to each new terminal group, this is indicated by the number showing the position of the bond broken followed by the prefix seco. Okay, this is the carbon number 1, this is the carbon number 2, this is the carbon number 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. So 5 here. So this 6-membered ring is going on breaking, or it is breakdown from carbon number 1. Sorry, numbering is wrong. I will give it again. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3. So this carbon is breaking from just a minute. Yes. So numbering, this is the carbon number 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So breaking takes place between 2 and 3. Oh no. 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, so breaking takes place here. So carbon number rupture is taking place between carbon number 2 and 3, so it is termed as 2,3 seco. 5 beta configuration, beta is a configuration at the 5th position. Androsterane is the name of this nucleus. 2,3-dioic acid, mean at 2 position carboxylic acid as well as at 3 position carboxylic acid, so it is termed as 2,3-dioic acid. Okay, next, if steroid contains a 3-membered ring, this indicated by the prefix cyclo preceded by the number of the position of concern. For example, at the 10th position here, this is a cyclopropane group, so it is termed as prefix cyclo. Due to introduction of the above mentioned rules of nomenclature, some names are employed in the earlier literature have been rejected and replaced by the new names. Like coprostane is now called 5-beta cholestane. Iso termed as cyclo. Methyl group are normally present at C10 and C13 usually. Alkyl side chain at C17 normally. Sterol contains OH group at C3 position. Remember these basic and important points. Okay. If one methyl group is attached to the C25, it is assigned the number 26. Means if branch is present at the position 25, then this branch carbon will be numbered as 26. If there are two branches on 25, both are same, methyl, so you can give number it to 26 27 or 27 26, both are same, no problem. But if there are two different groups are present, for example, at position 25 one methyl group is present and one ethyl group is present, then the group which comes alphabetically first, it is given priority. Like ethyl, alphabetically ethyl comes first as methyl, so it is given as 26 and it is 27. So the group which comes alphabetically first, E of ethyl is alphabetically first, then M of methyl, so ethyl is given number 26 and methyl 27. When the configuration is not known for one or more center, it indicated by the Greek letter epsilon. Okay. If one of the bridgehead hydrogen atom is replaced it by the desirable to restate the stereochemistry, 9 alpha fluoro 5 alpha pregnane will be used instead of 9 fluoro 5 alpha pregnane. What? If any of the bridgehead hydrogen atom is replaced, it may be desirable to restate the stereochemistry. If stereochemistry changes, then the name will be changed. Okay, I will give you more example in next lecture. Okay, 5 alpha pregnane, this is 5 alpha pregnane. Okay, and this is 5 alpha choline. 5 alpha cholestane. Okay, this dotted line shows alpha configuration. Dotted line shows alpha configuration. Okay, here is unsaturation is indicated by the changing ANE to ENE if it contains one double bond, that is diene, if it contains two double bond, triene if it contains three double bond. It is a basic nomenclature rule, you know that. Okay, the delta symbol is used to designate the double bond, CC double bond. If CC double bond between 4 and 5 referred as delta 4. If CC double bond between 5 and 10 designated as delta 5, means lowest locant. Lowest locant means minimum number. Okay, lower number. If the double bond is not between sequentially numbered carbon, both the carbons are indicated in the same. If the double bond is not between sequentially numbered carbon, both the carbon are indicated in the name. Okay, if it is not shown, then both carbons are denoted in the name. When an additional ring is formed by the means of direct line between any two carbon atom of steroid or attached side chain, the name of the steroid is prefixed by cyclo. This prefix by number of position of lines between by the new bond, Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, denotes the configuration associated with new bond. For example, a new line between carbon number 3 and 5. So it shows 3 alpha, that is its configuration alpha, and 5 the second position to which line is connected, and the term cyclo is used. Means 3,5 cyclo means cycle is formed between due to the formation of bond between carbon number 3 and carbon number 5. Okay. Naturally occurring steroids contains one or more additional heterocyclic ring fused or attached to ring D formed by the modification of the side chain. Okay, so many naturally occurring steroid contains a side chain or heterocyclic ring to the ring connected to ring D, that is pentagonal ring. Okay, we will see it in examples. Lengthening of the side chain by insertion of one or more CH2 group indicated by the prefix HOMO, we know that is called enlargement of the ring. Removal of terminal ring with addition of hydrogen atom at adjacent, where the adjacent ring is indicated by the prefix des followed by italic capital letter designated in the ring. Means if any of the ring is reduced or removed, for example this is the basic nucleus ABCD and ring A is removed from here, so it is termed as des A, means ring A is removed. Now alternative application of NOR and HOMO to the same molecules, the abio system is used. We will discuss it later because it is a complicated rule and it needs an example that I will discuss it inshallah in next video. Okay, in systematic name are based on the stem name, which in turn based on the hydrocarbon system. We know that about this numbering. Okay, cholesterol with 27 carbon and pregnant with 21 carbon. Okay, what is the additional in cholesterol ring beside basic nucleus? This is the additional chain. In choline, this is the additional chain, only 2 carbon. Remaining basic nucleus is same, A B C D ring, A B C D ring. Okay, with 2 methyl groups branched, 18 and 19 carbon. Okay, androsten simple basic nucleus, strain carbon only 18 carbon, means 19th one is absent. Remember all these basic nucleus. Okay, gonane is the name of cyclopenteno per hydrophenanthrene. Okay, stereochemistry of the ring markedly affect biological activity of the given class of steroid. There are 6 asymmetric carbon atoms present in the basic nucleus. See, these are the 6 asymmetric carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is asymmetric carbon atom? The carbon which is directly connected with 4 different atoms or groups like A, B, C, D. It is designated as denoted by the star, that is asterisk mark. So if carbon is connected with 4 different atoms or group, it is called as asymmetric carbon. Asymmetric carbon, and it is optically active. What is optically active? Means it change the rotation of PPL, plane polarized light का rotation ये change कर देता है. Now you will think how it is asymmetric, how it is connected with 4 different atoms or groups. See, for example, here is one methyl group or hydrogen methyl group. So this is methyl group. Okay, I will change the color. Here CH2 group means second different group. Third, this is CH group. Okay, and this is also CH group. So 4 total different groups are present here. This is CH3, this is CH2, this is CH, this is also CH, but this CH is connected with 2 CH2 group, CH2, CH2, and this CH group is connected with CH2 and CH, means its nature is different. It is CH2 and this is CH. but in this CH it is connected with both CH2 group. So both CH are different. So this carbon is asymmetric. So likewise, all 6 carbon atoms are asymmetric in nature, means they are connected with 4 different groups or 4 different atoms having different nature. Okay, so there are 6 asymmetric carbons are present in the basic nucleus of steroid. Positions: 5 position of the carbon: 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, and there is a formula 2 raised to n. N means asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon atom. So there are how many asymmetric carbon atoms? 6. So 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to 6, answer will be 64. So there are 64 isomers, different isomers of cyclopentenoperhydrophenanthine, that is steroids. Okay. It can exist in 2 configurations, namely chair form and boat form. We know that about this one, chair form and boat form. This is the boat form of 6-membered ring, 6-membered hexagonal for this one, and this is the chair form. You will study it in detail in stereochemistry. Okay, this is called chair form, this is called boat form. So steroids, complete steroid structure is also present in 2 forms, chair as well as boat. Okay, chair conformation is more stable than the boat. Chair is more stable because less repulsion. Groups are on same side in the boat form, so it is less stable. Repulsion is take place. Okay, so chair form is more stable than the boat conformation due to less angle strain. This repulsion is called angle strain. Due to the presence of bulky group on same side, there will be strain, there will be tension, there will be repulsion. So this structure is not stable, and this structure is stable because the bulky group are on opposite sides. Okay, so because of less strain. Okay, means the terminal groups are apart from each other. Hence all cyclohexane ring exist as a chair form. So most stable form is chair form. Hydrogen or functional group on the beta side of the molecule are denoted by the solid line, and alpha side is denoted by dotted line. We know about this one. Okay, so these are the basic rules for the steroids. Inshallah, in next lecture I will give you some examples and how to number it, how to name it, inshallah. Okay, jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.